Today I am going to share I'd special sheer korma or milk vermicelli recipe. Whole milk 1.5 liters. Bring it to boil. Cook 10 to 12 minutes until thicken. Ghee to tablespoon. Clarified butter. Allow to melted. Dry date slices, a 1/4 cup. Raisins to tablespoon. Almond nut to tablespoon. Cashew nuts to tablespoon. Pistachio nut to tablespoon. Mix it and fry to minute on low heat. Done. Add fried nuts and dates in the milk. Mix. Same pan, add to tablespoon ghee. Vermicelli 1 cup. Fry to minute. Done. Mix. Sugar, a 1/4 cup. Pinch of salt. Pinch of cardamom powder. Mix. Stir continuously. Cook 6 minutes. Done. Garnish with roasted nuts and dates. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.